Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Steve Mallison and today we're going to do a little experiment. We're going to measure the speed of sound in air and we're going to do it right here in this workshop. I've got the relevant equipment set up behind me, so let's go and have a look, see what we have. Okay, well we have a little loudspeaker. Actually it's a tweeter because they're better at handling high frequencies, and we're going to work with a frequency of 10 kilohertz today. And behind it the microphone, which is connected to the scope, you see there, and the top trace is the 10 kilohertz that we're using, which comes from this generator here, which also feeds a little audio amplifier which sends the same signal, same frequency anyway, to the little loudspeaker. So we've got a signal from the microphone, and it's a sine wave because the system bandwidth wouldn't allow a square wave to pass through. So there we are. Okay, now we need to find the wavelength. We know the frequency, and if we find the wavelength we can multiply the two together and get the speed of sound. Now I've set a mark on my ruler here. It says 7.1 centimetres. I'm going to move the speaker back 10 cycles on the scope and then divide by 10 so I can get a value for one wavelength. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so how far have I moved? 42.5. So 42.5 minus 7.1 . 35.4. So divide by 10. So our wavelength is 3.54 centimeters. Okay? So I multiply that by the frequency, 10,000. 3.54 times 10,000 is 35400. That's centimetres per second, and we want metres per second, so we'll divide that by 100. And that leaves us with 354 metres a second. Simple, eh? Now, of course, someone will have Googled that and they say, oh, that's wrong, because it says here in Google the speed of sound in air is something like 343 metres a second. And say, yeah, well, that's done at 20 degrees centigrade and dry air. Here we've got 31 degrees and very moist air, and it does make a difference. And there are tables you can look up, and I think you'll find when you make allowances for the temperature and the humidity, my reading's not all that far off. So there we are, that's it. Thanks for watching.